Hello, hello, hello to all my foreigners, followers out there. Let's take good care of ourselves. First thing in the morning or last thing that we do in the night, or we can also do it in the middle of the day. First thing we have to do is to clean our face and eyes very properly, especially if we have used lots of sunscreen during the daytime. A very nice set to do the complete cleaning of the face, removing makeup, removing sunscreens, removing any BB cream, is the full set, cleansing set of the Greek company that we are very proud of, Ladiopis. They have a completely amazing cleansing gel, fantastic one. It very recently took the award, one of the best cleansing gels in Greece. It's proper to use and for the face and for the eyes, and it's complete now with a gentle exfoliating scrub that we can use daily also. Here you can see after the face cleansing and the face scrub, I'm using a tonic lotion with hibiscus with no alcohol inside, no perfume, so you can use it even if you're very sensitive. The step 4 is to hydrate your face to find a very pure, clean hyaluronic acid. Greek company Charistia has one of the best, I believe, in the world wide. And now I'm mixing active ingredients. I'm mixing niacinamide, 15%, the serum that fixes everything up. It can boost all the powerful ingredients that's in the serum of Ladiopis, hyaluronic acid, vitamins. It has quinoa extract. After the mix, I'm using Better Skin from Aurora Natural Products. It's amazing how it makes and it relieves the skin from all day long. I'm securing all the ingredients I have used with the eye cream, the Pearl from Ladiopis. It keeps the puffiness away, it smooths fine lines, and it's lifting the eye area. And I secure with Nacomi City cream with SPF 50. You can use it as a sunscreen as well. It protects you from the radiation of cell phones, hydrating and anti-wrinkle action as well. Hope I helped you. Bye.